For exactly $5, I found my way into one of the most talked about city in West Africa. We finally have crossed over into Cotonou, Benin Republic, and now we have to change our naira to sefa. Let's see how this goes. Look at all the naira cash here, and look at what we got. Please click the subscribe button if you have not done that. This city is in a country next to Nigeria. We're talking about Benin Republic, and to get into this country, you have to pay unofficial fees. Severally, I've been told you're not obligated to pay any of these fees, but the officials there don't give you any choice. Documents like your international passport will be stamped out of Nigeria for around $2 and into Benin Republic for $3. This applies especially when you have a virgin passport. The yellow fever card is also necessary, but keep in mind that you can still pass through without these documents. You want to buy fuel? We're driving into Cotonou and the transformation here is insane. In this video, I'm taking you on a full drive from the border to the heart of the city so you can see the new Cotonou and how wonderful everywhere looks. Je m'appelle
Désiré.
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 Oui.
Oh, okay. Je m'appelle Victoria.
Victoria.
Guys, so apparently we're driving to get into the Cotonou city. We still have about some checkpoints to stop at. I want to notice if they would tip their officers, tip the officials like the Nigerian drivers did. Tip Nigerian drivers. So let's see how this goes. The first custom officers that we saw, the driver, Mr. Desiree, he did not tip them. So let's see what happens to the next three. He said we have 3 more to go. They stop you, check your car, collect tip. But normally, we they stop you to collect.
Never carry anything. Passenger self and carry. Never carry goods. If I know that carry now, me self and the park.
Because for Nigeria now,
Nigeria, they
if they
were
come, as we they come, they stop, pay money, stop, pay money, stop, pay money. Just they give them small money.
They don't know be like that.
They know they do like that for you.
Get the money where no pay good for good now. It is for customer now. I use self to park, no pay money for them. So for them. But me, I no carry loads.
Okay.
Only passenger I carry.
Okay. So he's saying that they don't bribe officials here when you're just passing for no reason. Like it was happening around the semi border route to the major border. We have passed 2 or 3 checkpoints now, and he did not tip them. Unlike what happened when we were coming to the border from Nigeria. Our driver tipped almost all the officers on the checkpoints that we passed. So this is a very, very interesting thing to see here.
This side now. At the place where they sell motor.
Okay, then they sell motor for this side.
Nigeria people they come here, come back the car, go Nigeria side.
For this side, yes, they call them.
It is.
It is.
It is.
So now here they go come here, come buy used motors.
Yes.
Tokumbo.
Tokumbo. See how? See how for you. See how?
Yes.
Yeah.
Where all those flags there?
Yeah.
So guys, he just showed me where most Nigerian car dealers come to buy used cars, Tokumbo cars. Wow, I hear a lot about how people come here to buy things like rice, paprika, thrift wares, and even used cars. And it's just so interesting seeing this one now. Okay, all this one, not Tokumbo motor.
Just the enter Toget now.
Okay.
Toget. Ekpe Toget.
Mm.
Just the enter Toget.
Lots of cars there. Lots of Tokumbo cars. Oh. That side too now it is. I mean another name they call them.
Yeah, na Mivo.
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 Mivo, and it is at the locations for where to buy Tokumbo cars here in Cotonou. So we just arrived at the toll gate.
Toget.
I feel my camera for you. Even the gravity one. The hotel is cheaper.
Market.
So this is Topa Bridge, Topa Market.
Market.
Oh. Yes. Where this water they go? This water.
This water they go Nigeria.
Okay, they go Nigeria.
Straight.
This water is going to Nigeria, Badagry, Cotonou. Wow. This is the modern Dantopa market. Can here be the biggest market for Cotonou? This is the biggest market in Cotonou than Tokwa Market. Why did they sell Africa?
No, no, it's a what's that?
Seven.
I did it like this.
Like this.
And like this.
Okay.
Yes, sir.